Hi everyone, we're going to find the solutions to x plus 3 minus 4 divided by x minus 1 equals 5. And the first thing we're going to do is clean this up a little bit. I'm going to move these two terms on the right side of the equation. So I'm going to really subtract x, so subtract 3 from both sides. So we have, let's start up here, x plus 3 minus 4 divided by x minus 1 equals 5. So like I said, we're going to subtract the x and the 3 from both sides. And what you get is negative 4 divided by x minus 1 equals 5 minus x minus 3. And that gives you negative 4 divided by x minus 1 equals negative x plus 2, because I just combined those two. Now, to make this a little easier, I'm going to negate both of these. I don't like to deal with the negatives, so just negate everything, and you're going to get 4 divided by x minus 4 equals x minus 2. So you just distribute there. All right, so now we're going to just cross multiply. And when you cross multiply these two, I tend to cross this way. So you would get 4 equals x minus 2 times x minus 4. You might have gone the other way. And so we have 4, and this is going to be x squared. This is actually a 1, sorry. Put a 1 here, and let's see, this should have been a 1. So I put a 1 there, sorry about that. All right, so here we go again. Then we have minus x for this piece, and then for this we have minus 2x, and for this we have plus 2. All right, now we clean the right-hand side up a bit. So you have x squared minus 3x plus 2, and subtract 4 from both sides to set this to 0. And you're going to get 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 2. All right, so once you get that, we're going to have to use the quadratic formula because this is prime and you can't factor it. So let's write that down. We have x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. And before we use the quadratic formula, I'm going to write down my a, b, and c. So my a equals 1, my b equals negative 3, and my c equals negative 2. So for our quadratic formula, we're going to write x equals negative b, and substitute plus or minus square root of b squared. Make sure you put your negative b in parentheses, minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times 1. Now cleaning that up, we're going to get 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 8 divided by 2. So this equals 3 plus or minus square root of 17 divided by 2. But you can put the 2 under each piece, and that is what your x would equal here. And that's your final answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.